New research from Washington University School of Medicine in St. Louis has identified key biochemical components in a therapeutic food aimed at repairing malnourished children's underdeveloped gut microbiomes. The study also identified the important bacterial strains that process these components. The findings may guide treatment with the current food formulation and enable the creation of more effective formulations in the future. The therapeutic food, called MDCF2, Microbiome-directed complementary food, was previously shown to be superior to a standard therapeutic food in repairing malnourished children's gut microbiomes in a 2021 clinical trial. The identified components are naturally occurring carbohydrate structures that could potentially be recovered in large quantities from food manufacturing byproduct streams to produce prebiotics. The researchers also found that strains of the bacteria Prevotella Copri were positively associated with increased growth in children, suggesting their potential as therapeutic targets.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great content.